This is the Lego Spike Prime Robot Inventors Kit. Let's open it up. You can use the Spike Prime kit to build and program your own Lego robots. Here's a list of stickers of all the parts. 2 sorting bins. And all of the parts that it comes with. This right here is a pressure sensor. When you press it, it will sense the touch. Inside of this box here, we have our color sensor. Oh, sorry, this is our distance sensor. This box would probably contain some of the motors. Here we have a few small feedback. Some pieces that are too big to fit inside of the bags. Some bricks, bars, friction pegs, gears and wheels. Here are 2 more motors. This set comes with both medium and large motors. So the large motors are most likely in here, and the medium motors are in here. Here's our color sensor. Charging cable for the hub. This box also probably contains the hub. And some excess, more random pieces. Over here, we have the wheels and some other pieces that are really essential. More decorative elements. 2 boards. Some more beams, brackets, and biscuits. And now we have a small advertisement about their new packaging, along with some terms and conditions. Here's a quick recap of all the parts. So we have the hub, motor, color sensor, distance sensor, touch sensor, and gyro sensor. This is the hub, or the brain of the robot. So we can play sounds and do many other things with it. It has a built-in gyro sensor, so it can register movement. You can also make motors turn by connecting them to the hub and pressing some buttons. Using the force sensor, you can actually program the motor so that when you press on it, the motor plays. You can plug the motor into port A, plug the force sensor to another port, and this is the color sensor, which can detect different changes in color. This is the distance sensor. This is a small sorter machine, which we made, the first thing. And it picks up these packages and puts them into the tray. Here's the front view. Another view. And here's the building process. And if you want to program your own robot, you can just follow along with the code we've created right here. I hope you enjoyed making this sorter robot with me, and follow us for more builds.